Don't ever be scared of some makeshift stuff, okay? So we don't care what people say, my nigga. Damn, the tape coming off. Bitch, I'm too moisturized. I'm too chocolatey and buttery. Hey, y'all. It's me. It's me, it's Angela, and I don't fucking care. I'm finna do a little part 2 to the whole album cover thing that I did like a couple months ago when I did what did I do? I did why can't I think of it? I did fudge. I can't even, it's gonna be right here. So I did that, and today I'm gonna do a part 2 to that. So with that being said, the album cover that I'm going to do today is Outkast Stankonia. This right here. I was gonna do this on Halloween because literally that album came out on Halloween, so I was like, oh my god, it's gonna be like an anniversary thing. But girl, I was fucking sick. I was sick, and no, it was not corona, it was something else. I think I just had a cold or something, because I got tested and I didn't have that. So it wasn't that, babe, so mind your fucking business. But yeah, so I'm finna do an album cover to that. Yeah, I'm just gonna get started. So this is a little fake green screen that I made basically out of some what's it called? What are these? Poster boards. Some poster boards I got from like Michael's or some shit, and I taped them together, and so this is what I'll be using as like a fake green screen, and it does the trick. So don't ever be scared of some makeshift stuff, okay? So yeah, this is what I'm using for the green screen. I'm gonna like tape this up. As you can see, it's taped there. I'm gonna tape it up here on my mirror, and that's just gonna be the screen. So yeah, y'all finna see me put that up maybe. Sometimes I feel no one in this world understands us, but we don't care what people say, my niggas. I'll tell you one thing. If you would have broke my goddamn computer, camera, bitch. Break my heart. Wow. Girl, focus. Okay, so I dropped my camera, as y'all may have possibly saw, because this thing is like broken. I need to get a new tripod, because this is like ghetto and broke. It's not like, it doesn't stay, so I gotta like balance it right. But yeah, it's not fucking focusing, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Also, I made a ghetto ass reflector because I'm not a photographer. Let me pause this motherfucking music first of all. Siri, pause the music. Hey Siri, pause the music. Okay. So yeah, like I was saying, I made this ghetto ass reflector because I'm not a photographer, y'all, but I went with my friend Joseph to help take pictures for this girl for her grad pics, and we was using a reflector, and that was my first time experiencing like what a reflector could do. Okay, like I never knew, like I always knew they existed, but I never knew like how important it was to have one, because I was just there and I just witnessed like the sun beaming on her face, and it was damn near cloudy in that bitch. So knowing me, I'm not gonna buy one obviously, but I did. I bought some aluminum foil and I bought some tape the other day, and I have like a few canvases that I haven't used. This one still has the plastic on it. So I literally just wrapped some aluminum foil on this canvas. So we gonna see if this shit works. I'm gonna try to like shine these lights on it and see what happens when I do that. So y'all, please like wish me luck, because I'm gonna be mad if this shit don't work at all. Like if it worked a little bit, I'm gonna be happy, because literally it's so ghetto. But if it don't work at all, I'm gonna be kind of mad. So we shall see. Okay, I'm not sure if this is like giving or not. Should I put the light on me? Da, 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 da. Do we gotta say. All right, as of right now, it's looking like I made this for nothing, because it's not working to the best of its ability. At least not that I noticed. It could be doing something that I can't see. But then again, it's like I already have all this light on me too, so that's probably another thing. Like I do already have hella light on me. So yeah, it's looking like it's, you know, not gonna be used at this point, but that's okay, because I feel like the lighting looks good. I think maybe, but yeah. All right, we're finna get fucking started. I'm scared. You know, you have like lip liner and stuff on. Like I be scared to like close my lips, cause like, never mind. So I finished the big boy one. Now I'm finna do the entree one. Y'all see how big and like fucking, I don't even know how to describe this. How, what do you call this? Look, don't mind the way this looks too, by the way, because I'm gonna have a scarf on. So I'm not even worried about that. So I brushed it a little bit, and it's just going to be like this, because girl, I'm not finna fire up my damn flat iron. That's what I'm not finna do. It's just going to be like this. So I'm finna put a scarf on. Let me find one. Okay, so I think I'm gonna change this necklace, but this is the Andre 3000 thing, and I'm finna show y'all my pants once I get everything back in the correct setup, because I kind of changed it because I had to move shit out the way. But okay, this is Andre, and the reason I have tape and my actual boobs out is because like I'm going to do what he did. So I'm going to cover up my nipples, obviously, because like America. But yeah, basically I'm gonna, damn, the tape coming off, bitch. I'm too moisturized. I'm too chocolatey and buttery. But yeah, I'm gonna cover it up, but I'm literally just gonna, y'all gonna see, because I'm really not exactly sure what I'm gonna do yet. I don't know if I made like a man chest or like a woman chest. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna figure it out. Either way, you know. But yeah, I'm finna fix this hair real quick, because I said I wasn't gonna touch it, but I'm actually finna do it because I want it to look like how he had his. And this is folding like under, and I don't like it. That's not what we signed up for. Okay, I just wanted to update y'all where y'all could hear me. Here are the leather pants. These are so tight, it really doesn't make any good sense at all. These are, who texted me? Oh. But yeah, these are extremely tight. Like, I would never be able to wear these out unless I lost like 20 pounds, because I literally, like, I'm talking about yeast infection immediately. Okay, so we made it to the editing parts of everything. I picked out 3 of each picture. They basically all look the same, but you know, like, see, they literally look the same. Like, I couldn't even tell that I had went to the next picture. Okay, but yeah, I chose 3 of these which look exactly the same, and 3 of these which kind of look the same, but you know, it's all about the attitude, and some of these have a different attitude. Like this one, she kind of looked like she like scared a little bit. Like she looked like a fucking scarecrow. This one is giving more like, yeah, like it's giving more like, you know, diva confidence. Okay, this one is giving. This one is also giving, but I don't know. It's like I'm gonna have to choose between this one and that one. But I'm feeling like I'm liking this one the best. I'm feeling like I'm liking that one. But these, I don't know, they look the same. They don't look the same, but they look the same. I'm gonna just see which stance looks more like big boys. Yeah, I'ma, you know, go ahead and get to editing. Okay, so this is the final product. Let's turn this back, y'all. You can see it. This is the final product. I'm not doing nothing else to this thing. I think it looks pretty fucking